So now that we've got the bearing installed, we're going to use this red RTV, which is a high temperature, and we're going to use that to keep the dust and dirt out of the magnetic pickup. So we're going to install a magnetic pickup. We'll put a bit of goop in here, or the red RTV. Let me just take the cap off, and we'll put a bit hang on, we got a bit of excess old goop, and we're going to just put a small bead how's it looking, Jeff? Getting enough there?
Yeah, it should be enough.
Okay.
Smooth it out.
And this should keep the dust of it out. Flips over the other way. No, that way. There you go.
Okay.
All right. So now we're going to install this. Let me just get the goop off my hands. And we need the 2 long screws will go in here. That's the longer ones. I'm going to let Jeff here put the screws in while I get this goop off my hands. So now we've got that part installed. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to install the magnetic shaft, and we're going to insert that in the bearing. That should